Hey everyone, 33 Mile Bees. Bringing it back to the queen rearing hive here. Today's the day to pull them out and put them in the incubator. So I have not touched them since the last video. So we shall see. Hopefully no like rogue virgin queens came from another hive or something. I don't know how full this is going to be. It is sprinkling a little bit. So let's see what we got here. And out of the 43 that took before when we checked, let's see how many made it. And it is sprinkling a little bit, so it might be a little feisty. And keep in mind they are also technically queenless. So very carefully, let's see what we got. And there's our dud number one. They're kind of building that one out. No big deal there. Still good. Very good. Very uniform. All right. Alright, so there we go. This one here, no big deal. They just built a little extra down there. But very good looking cells. I'll take them actually in the house. And they're going to go in the incubator. There you can see real good the 1 and 2 that didn't make it. So we will see how many actually hatch out. Alright, might show a quick little clip after I get them in the incubator, just to make it so I'm not doing a short on YouTube. But that's what we got. So thanks for watching. And 43 queen cells later, here we go. What is up, everyone? Got all the queens in the protectors. Got for the moisture inside the incubator. So we'll be in here for a couple days, and we'll see what happens. All right, be back with you in a couple days. Have a good one. Stay cool.